Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video, I will tell you how can we write a program to print each character of a string using for loop. So, what we have to do is we have to write the characters from a string. So, first we have to declare a string. So, I will declare st as variable, and in this st I will write code with Angel. So please subscribe to my channel, and then I will write a for char in st print char. So this is just a simple program to do that. So now run the program. So you can see here the channel name is written separately. So CODE. So here you can see code with Angel is written here in this order. So this is how you can do that. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.